Legend has it that when a thick band of haze or cloud settles over Table Mountain in Cape Town, Jan van Hunks is furiously puffing interminably at his line on near to Devil's Peak, endeavoring to outsmoke the scalawag himself at Table Mountain, named for its specific level top. Is acknowledged to be around 360 million years old and outlined after the territories split, isolated, and lodes created on the planet's covering. Rock molded by magma that cooled under the surface invigorated the mountain, and ice sheets leveled the top. The mountain sports an incredibly famous cableway that has transported in excess of 20 million visitors since it opened in October 1929. The improvement cycle was finished by the Anglo-Boer fight in 1880 and subsequently again when World War I broke out. One of the coolest real factors about Table Mountain is that you can visit a coastline at the top. Skeleton Gorge Beach can be reached by moving through Skeleton Gorge and setting off to the indigenous woodlands on the east side of the mountain. Starting there, you carry on to a slope of rocks called McClear's Beacon, which indicates the most important point on the mountain. A 5-minute walk will lead you to White Sand Co-terminus, the Helly Hutchinson Dam, which is one of 5 dams on Table Mountain.